Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're gonna be doing another cut crease, but not just any cut crease, okay? It's gonna be a floral cut crease. We've done a couple of these before. I've done like a rose, I've done a sunflower, and like other inanimate objects, bats and Christmassy things that I can't even, trees I think. It's been a while since I've done them, so I really just kind of tried my best, but I tried to do a fall flower cut crease. So I did some like orangey, yellow tone flowers, got some little leaves in there, got some little cranberries, I guess that's a thing. Anyways, you guys, if you want to see how I get this look, you want to see how I paint this on my eyeballs, go ahead and keep on watching. You gotta come back to the old videos to see how it was done. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so because I don't remember, you know how long ago this was? First, we're just gonna go ahead and start off with the easy part, which is the actual cut crease. I'm gonna use the Norvina Volume 1. We do have the Volume 2, and I'm waiting on the Volume 3. So if you want me to do a video on those palettes all together, let me know. Worst beauty guru ever, I'm taking the shade D1. My biggest debate whenever I do these cut creases is how bold do I want the crease to be? Because I want everything to stand out still, but I still want it to look cute, and I want it to be like a cute little cut crease. Oh my god. I just sat on this and broke it. I guess we're just getting thick this fall then. It's all good. This brush is way too big. Oh my god, I do not know why I thought that was gonna work. Okay, this is a hot mess. Luckily, most of this is getting cut off in the cut crease. The power that a cut crease really holds is amazing because I could go from looking like a 10-year-old who just learned how to do makeup, aka me as a 10-year-old, to looking like I know what's really going on. Now I'm just using the ColourPop concealer to do this. Year-old, 24-year-old. Oh my god. Is this a joke? Is this a sick joke? Wow. Okay. Great.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Alright, you guys, sorry for that meltdown that I just had. We're good now. I'm gonna go in with C1. This is a bomb-ass white shadow. Like, damn. White like my legs in the wintertime. And the white does look a little crusty because we used concealer and I've made a mistake. Okay, we'll try again next time. Go ahead and put my face makeup on. Everything that would be fallout is done now, so we're good. Looking brand new on your screen. This is the Wolfe FX face paint palette that I like to use. I got it off of Amazon. It's water activated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in here so I can mix it up. So I got some new brushes from Michaels to do this, hoping for the best. Literally, this is all we're gonna use because I didn't bother getting any more brushes than this. So we're gonna do the whole look, just whip it up. And if you haven't seen my original floral cut crease that I did, like the rose one, I do have a tutorial on that. Basically what we're doing is like little C shapes that are gonna look like petals, and we're just starting off with the one color first. Next, I'm gonna go in with the orange. And all I'm really doing here is basically filling in the gaps. And I'm gonna go in with yellow still, but I'm gonna put a lot of heavy white in there just to give you some little highlights. And I'm pretty much happy with that for now, at least. I know right now it looks a little sloppy, but it will be put together once it's all done. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the little leaves on, and I want those to be kind of like a dark green, so I'm gonna add some brown to the green and see how that looks. I want them to look a little crunchy. I'm gonna sound like an idiot, but I gotta look and see what a leaf looks like. I live in Arizona, you guys. We don't have leaves, we don't have fall. Like the weather gets cool, but leaves, I'm almost trying to make it look kind of like a vine. My hands look like this so that my eyes can look like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye real quick. I'm not gonna talk much, probably just gonna kind of do the same thing as what I did on the other side. I hate myself. I thought I was filming, apparently not. I was eating right now while I was like off camera, and so my ponytail's off. Okay, we'll put it back on before the intro. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my lip liner and everything real quick, and then we'll put on some lashes. This is the Huda Lip Contour in Trendsetter. I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Undressed. This is what happens when you leave your lip glosses in your car. The glue melts where the lid is supposed to be. That's real cute. Also gonna get down with some faux freckles. This is the Lime Crime Freckle Pen. This is what we do. We cover our real freckles and then draw some MAC on. Because that's what beauty is, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on off camera real quick just because it's a little bit faster, a little bit easier. And because you guys see me do it like all the time. But I'm gonna be using the Baddie B Extra lashes. And you can use my code to save. I'll go ahead and leave it on the screen and in the description. Woohoo! So we are finally, that was like the weakest woo I've ever heard in my life. But anyway, that is it for the fall floral cut crease. I definitely want to do like a Halloween one as well. So this is just kind of like the start of a little something. I think she's kind of cute. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if there's any other cut creases that you'd like me to do. Like I said, I'm feeling a little rusty. Like I'm a little bit weaker. You know, like I'm like not really 100%. But I think I need a little bit more practice to get back into it. We can start doing some bomb cut creases. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.